out ever since they started wrestling here. Mark Rios of Gilroy, Jaime Garcia of Hollister, in most of the dual matches against Gilroy and Hollister, it's gone down to the heavyweights. The winner of each match would have won it for each team. Mark has an underhook. Mark Rios of Gilroy has an underhook, trying to take advantage of it. Both circling again. With bigger wrestlers, they tend to circle and tie up more than the little wrestlers who shoot and do dramatic throws and flips. Both wrestlers circling the tie-up, trying to get some kind of advantage, take one down. A takedown in the heavyweights is a big thing. Referee warns both wrestlers for stalling with 15 seconds left in the first period. 0-0. At the end of the first period, 0-0. Place winners at 160, 171, 189 in the heavyweights. Please come to the ward station after the conclusion of this match. Jaime Garcia is down, Mark Rios on top. Jaime Garcia with an escape, 1-0. Hollister over Gilroy. Minute 30 left. Both wrestlers utilizing the tie-up. Rios has an underhook. Referee signals that Garcia's shoe is untied, stops the match with a minute 23 left in the second period. Garcia leads 1-0. One minute left in the second period, 1-0 still. Garcia leads Rios to Hollister. Referee gives both wrestlers stalling, so 1 point for each wrestler. It is now 2-1. Garcia of Hollister leads over Rios of Gilroy. "40 seconds. Seconds left, 2-1. Garcia over Rios. At the end of the second period, Garcia of Hollister leads 2-1 over Rios of Gilroy. Rose chooses down, losing. Rose with escape. It is now 2-2 with 1:45 left in the match. A minute 12 left, 2-2. Third period. Both wrestlers trying to do something. Get here, get a takedown. A takedown will win this match. Seconds, 2-2. Referee's giving stalling again. 1 point for each wrestler. It's 3-3. One more warning is a 2 point, after which is disqualification for both wrestlers. 10 seconds. At the end of the third period, carry over into the overtime. Rounds. Each wrestler has been warned 3 times for stalling. The 4th time will result in a 2 point awarding.
What place do you award you guys?
40 seconds, 3-3. Referees are egging them on to produce some type of offense. Pretty soon they'll have to evaluate who is more aggressive and warn the other guy for stalling. Seconds left. At the end of the first period of overtime, still 3-3. Rios defers to Garcia of Hollister. Garcia chooses down. 1 minute. One point escape. Garcia 4-3. Garcia of Hollister. 45 seconds left. ref has called that both wrestlers be wiped off. It is 27 seconds left in the second period with score 4-3. Garcia leads over Hollister, over Rios of Gilroy, excuse me. Both wrestlers again have been warned 3 times for stalling. The next warning of either wrestler will result in a 2-point award, penalty award to the other wrestler. At the end of the second period of overtime, Garcia of Hollister leads 4-3. Garcia of Hollister leads 4-3 over Rios of Gilroy. One minute left. 1 minute left. After that, it goes to criteria. If the score remains tied, if Mark Rios was to get an escape here and tie it up 4-4 at the end of the third period of overtime, it goes to what we call criteria. And there's a listing to they look at the score of the wrestlers and match it upon that. One escape. It is tied 4-4 with 38 seconds left. Seconds, 4-4. Well, we have an injury timeout. I believe both wrestlers had the same number of escapes, been warned with the same number of penalty points. And there were no takedowns in this match. And going through the criteria, it's going to be quite interesting how they're going to award the winner. Each wrestler's been warned a number of times for stalling. Each wrestler has the same amount of escapes. It might be a referee's determination of who is the most aggressive during the match. The third period of overtime, it goes to criteria. All 160, 171, 189, and heavyweight place winners, please report to the awards area now. for a referee's decision on the criteria. For my criteria sheet, everything's pretty even. I think it might go down to the referee's decision.
Alright, that's going to see for the trophy presentation.
After giving out the individual winners of 160, 171, 189 in heavyweight, we'll award the team most outstanding wrestlers. Can everyone please have a seat? Referees explaining to how they're basing the criteria of the win on. He doesn't have to explain to anybody else but to the wrestlers. Garcia of Hollister wins by criteria, our Midcal heavyweight champion. Oh, 160-pound. At heavyweights, tied for 6th place from North Monterey County, Scott Mario Antonio, and from Soquel, Robert Fletcher. In 4th place from Madera, Romario Chavaria. Our consolation champion from Wood High School, Ken Berg. In 2nd place from Gilroy, Mark Rios. Our 1991 heavyweight champion from Hollister, Jaime Garcia. Now what place is for team?